Hello and welcome to firststepsinforex.com. Today is the 6th of February 2011 and here we're looking at the Euro-Dollar daily chart. Now it's the start of a week, it's a Sunday, the market opens tomorrow, Monday, so it's a good idea. I've cleaned out all of the previous indicators and things. We're starting afresh. Okay, so let's first take a look at the weekly chart to see what's happening in the long term. Okay, well obviously we had a huge drop here from the end of November to sort of mid 2010, end of November 2009 to mid 2010, then we bounced back up and now we've had a further drop down, but in the in the ultra long term you can argue that we're dropping down. Okay, but obviously in the last few weeks in particular we've gone up. So what's going to happen now? We flick down to the daily chart. We can see that we had the drop. We dropped around the bottom of it and then we came back up. So let's see where we are right now. We're at the 15731. Okay. What do we have here? Do we have a possible, let's have a look at the top of there. Yeah, that was a support and resistance area, so let's draw it in. Okay, that's one area where we had lots of bouncing around, including here. We had another one here, clearly, which is actually where we are right now, so that might be a sign. Just here. We bounce here, 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 here. So that's obviously a pivot zone, and we're closed right in the middle of it, which could mean tomorrow we might shoot straight back up again, or we could break through. We won't know yet until tomorrow. What else? We've got another area there where there's obviously a lot of support and resistance, a pivot area. So let's draw that in. Where did we say? We said here, yeah. Okay, and we seem to have an area down here where it's bounced off quite a few times, matched over there. So that might be significant in the future, so it's worth drawing in. And we'll see what happens. So right now we've had, in the last couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, we've had a strong upward move that's hit into this support and resistance area, it's turned around and come back down again. So we've had a drop. Last week we went up for 2 days and we went back down even lower. So we could continue, of course, to go straight down. What about Fibonacci? Up here, down to here. No, Fibonacci number, we actually broke through. We retreat about somewhere in the middle between the 61.8 and 78.6, so that's not going to tell us much today. So the only thing we've got is that support and resistance area. Was there a round number around there? Yes, the one there. Now that's kind of key. The reason why, and another reason why this is so important, is because you've got the 139000, which is a nice round number. So psychologically that's probably the core reason why we went up and hit this glass ceiling, if you like, and bounced back down again. Okay, but we're now smack on this support and resistance area, so it's possible tomorrow we'll bounce back up and carry on going up. Okay, now I'm out of my positions at the moment because it's the weekend, so we'll see what happens when the UK opens up tomorrow. If we drop below this low from Friday, then we're going to go down to we're obviously going to go down to here, probably to the next support and resistance area. Okay, if we bounce off this, start going up, and then the new target is back up to here, so there's a clear move. So if we go below here, we're going to go short, and if we go above the high of the previous day, then we're going to go long. Okay, that's a very good indication. Target areas are this support and resistance and this support and resistance, although we do have to take into account the 61.8% line here. This 50% line has already got a support and resistance, so and here this next one's got 38.2. So we've got an area there as well to look out for. In fact, actually, now I'm looking at it, it becomes obvious. There is clearly a pivot area around here as well, because it matches with a 61.8%. You know, very key to notice this. Okay, 61.8%, 50, 38.2. These are the three most popular Fibonacci retracements. And look, they coincide with support and resistance areas. That's not a coincidence. Everybody in the market who's playing the market, a lot of the people see the same thing at the same time, so they react to it. It becomes self-fulfilling, and that's why these Fibonacci's are important to know. Okay, so if we go above here, then we've got to watch this target. We'll go long, but we've got to watch the target of 61.8% because we could bounce back down again. Here, though, if we go short, then we've got a much clearer target down to there. So if we manage to go through that one and we go up to there, if we manage to get down that one, the target will be here at the 38.2%. So we'll see what's going to happen. We had a strong upward move. Chances are we might, this is just a reversal and we'll carry on upwards, but we don't know. We can only predict the probabilities. Okay. At the moment I'm not 100% sure because we've closed in this area here, which is 135,800 area, so it's a round number. You've got support and resistance, 50% Fibonacci. Okay, so we'll see what happens on Monday. Okay, so wait to see if we go below here or above the high. And that's really it. That's all I can really say for today. If you want to know more about the tools and techniques I use, then please go to the website www.firststepsinforex.com and take a look. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a safe and profitable trading week, and we'll be back in a few days. Thank you. Goodbye.